your iPhone keyboard layout changed accidentally? Don't worry, let me show you how you can fix and change your keyboard layout first on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone with latest iOS 26. So first from your iPhone, open settings, then go to general. Now tap on keyboard here, then keyboard again, and you will see all the keyboards you have added. If you're using English US like me, you will find for layout option. I personally use the first one because it feels the most comfortable for me. The second one looks a bit different. The third one is almost the same but swaps the Z and Y. And the last one is completely different. If you're using other languages, you might see even more layout option, but some languages only have one default layout with no alternatives. And that's how you can change or fix your keyboard layout on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.